David here. Still can't believe I just dropped Goliath with 1 stone. Bro, it was huge, and God really came through. Update! The whole camp is screaming. Soldiers running after the Philistines now. Energy is crazy right now. King Saul called me over. Man's like, whose son are you? Bro, I'm just Jesse's kid from Bethlehem. And God kept giving me W's. Every fight, every mission, Israel keeps winning. Feels unreal, but it's all him.
Not gonna lie, people singing songs about me now. Saul killed thousands, David killed tens of thousands. Awkward.
Yeah. Saul's face when he heard that song, not good. Man looked like he wanted to throw a spear at me.
Met Saul's son Jonathan today. Low-key bestie vibes already. Dude literally gave me his robe and sword. W friend.
Saul legit tried to kill me with a spear while I was playing the harp. Bro, I dipped fast.
Saul sent dudes to my house, but his daughter Michael, my wife, helped me sneak out a window.